Hi friends, stay tuned because in this video I'm sharing with you my 3 tips how I switch out my interior for the fall and winter season. Welcome to My Happy Home, where I bring you DIYs, hauls, home decor, thrifting and much more on a budget. If you're interested in these types of videos, then please like, comment and subscribe.
Hi friends, and welcome back to My Happy Home. In this video I'm going to share with you a little bit more of how I prepare my home for the fall season. It is now a Saturday morning. I just woke up and I need to do some errands. I have to do my nails, you guys, and I thought before I go out I will start this process. At the beginning of the spring season and the fall season, those are the 2 moments that I like to switch out my curtains. I love, as you can see now, I have the lighter curtains, and I love to bring in some brightness during the spring and the summer season. But during the fall and the winter season, I like it to be more cozy and just a little darker. So I am going to switch out these lighter curtains for some new curtains that I have for this year. So this is the first time I'm using these. And yeah, I have some sheer curtains. These will stay, and just the other ones I will flip those. So if you are interested in seeing how I change out this look, then keep on watching. Now let me show you up close what these curtains look like, because I don't think you were able to see that just now. But anyway, my curtains are all in the pinch pleat, and I think I have I would call it a 1-finger pinch pleat. I think I used to have 2 or 3 fingers pinch pleat, but those were very expensive because you need more fabric to create that look. But anyway, my sheer curtains, the ones that you see here, these I'm going to throw in the washer. I'm going to wash them, and these are the ones that I'm going to switch out for my new ones.
Now before I can get to my curtains, I need to move some furniture out of the way. Here I am moving my rug entirely with my coffee table because that is so much easier, so I can move my couch. Now my couch is a custom made one, and it consists of 2 parts, the chaise and the couch part. Only it might look like a sectional, but it isn't really, because you cannot split them up and use them separately. The chaise can be used separately, but the rest of the couch needs the chaise because the chaise has the legs that support the rest of the couch. But other than that, I truly love this couch, and as you can see, it is quite heavy. Now you guys, let me share with you how lucky I am, because all the curtains throughout my home are made by my mom. She does interior upholstery for a living, and I am so proud and so thankful that she is blessed with this wonderful talent, you guys, because it also makes it possible for me to switch out my interior on a budget. I wanted to move you up a bit closer so you can really see the details on these pinch pleat curtains. Now let me share this tip with you guys. Since I don't like ironing all that much, what I like to do is fold up my curtains before I put them in the washing machine, and that way it will prevent them from getting really wrinkled. And another thing that I like to do is just to wash 1 curtain at a time, so that way they have plenty of space to move around the washing machine and getting really clean. Now let me share another tip with you. If you do not have a dryer like I do, because I just do not have that much laundry, so what I like to do with my curtains is I just hang them up while they are still a bit moist. They're not like really soaking wet, but just a bit moist. And while they hang up from the ceiling, just the weight pulling them down also removes some of the wrinkles. Okay, so unfortunately for me, truth of the matter is that I simply cannot go through life without doing any ironing. So I've had my curtains since this summer and they were folded neatly, stored away, waiting to come out. So they have like these huge creases, as you can see, and some wrinkles. So I had to take out my ironing board to take out the creases and the wrinkles. So you guys, please do not judge me if you see me doing this like really quickly, because I just want to take out the obvious creases and wrinkles.
Well friends, I am back. I've run my errands and my nails are all done. Yay! So anyway, now that I've ironed my curtains, I am ready to hang them back up. And before I continue, guys, please do not judge me if you see a wrinkle or a crease on the curtains, because really I do not like ironing. I totally dislike it. So much that, for instance, when I buy my clothing, I have basically 4 criteria. It has to match before I buy it. It has to be like super cute. It has to be super on a budget. It has to be of good quality. And the 4th, I don't have to iron it. So if it matches of the 3 criteria and not the 4th, then I definitely will not buy it. So I don't like ironing. So anyway, excuse me and please don't judge and forgive if you see any creases. But before I go on, I have to tell you that the sheer curtains, I'm sorry, they're not ironed at all. They came right out of the wash or from the laundry, and I just hang them up just like that because it's just too much. It's just too much. Anyway, let's quickly get started and hang up these curtains.
Now I want to take this time to thank everyone for stopping by and taking the time to watch my video. And if you're a first time visitor, I would totally love it if you would consider hitting that subscribe button and become a resident of my happy home. And you guys, make sure you have your notification bell on, because really soon I am going to share with you my fall home tour, where you will see all these changes I am making in this video to my interior. So make sure you're subscribed and you have the notification bell on. Now what I also like to switch out besides my curtains is my living room rug. As you can see here, I have for the spring and summer season this lighter creamy color rug, and I am going to vacuum it, just clean it up and roll it up and just put it away in storage. Now just like that, I switch from a more lighter tone to a darker tone. I bought this gray rug last year and I am so loving this rug. It has like this really nice shimmer to it. Let me show you up close. I'm not sure if the camera is really picking it up, but anyway, this is the rug that I am going to have throughout the fall and the winter season. Now one thing that I also like to switch out for the season are the covers of my dining room chairs. And you guys, my mom, she is the sweetest. She made me some new covers this season and I cannot wait to try them on. And here I'm just attaching some Velcro to the seating so I can put on the new covers. Now here you can see me pulling the cover over the seating, and as you can see, the seating has Velcro all around and also the inside of the cover. and that is just a simple way how you can upholster an existing chair. And of course you can do this highly professional, but my mom did this in her own time at home with just her basic sewing machine and the tools that she had, because at home or at work she just simply don't have the time to do this. So I am really again so fortunate and lucky that she was able to create these covers for my dining chairs. And the last thing that I'm going to switch out is the cover on my ottoman. And you guys, this ottoman I thrifted really years ago, and it was a basic flat dark brown leather ottoman, and I just added these legs to it to elevate it a little bit more. And my mom, this was another project by my mom. She covered it with this basic gray fabric, as you can see here underneath. And I have some different covers to switch out for different seasons. Now here you can see how my mom alternated this ottoman so that I was able to switch out different covers. She just added a Velcro all across the perimeter of the ottoman so that it would be easy for me just to switch out the covers. And here is the cover that I'm going to be using for this fall and winter season. And it feels so soft to the touch, you guys. It is a velvety fabric in a gray tone that is not too dark and not too light. Just perfect for this season. Now that's all for this video. If you want to see the entire look all put together, make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss my fall home tour. I want to thank you all so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!